Today, we will learn how to copy any website for free, using Groovefunnels. First of all, open any website or landing page that you want to replicate. I'm using one of my ClickFunnels opt-in pages for this demo. Right-click on the page and select View Page Source. I'm assuming you're using Google Chrome browser. The process is more or less the same for any other web browser. Select and copy the entire code from the page source. Then once you copy the code, sign up for a free Groovefunnels account. Now, log into your dashboard and select Groove Pages from the left panel. Select New Site from the top right corner. Select a blank template from the available options. Name your campaign anything and click on Start Building. Now, click on the Code Editor button as shown in the image. Now, paste the code that you had copied earlier. Next, edit the code and also change the links wherever required. Now, just click on the Save button. Click on the Publish button and your page is ready. You can also use the pre-designed templates and blocks for creating websites and landing pages. Sign up for a free Groovefunnels account now.